Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be sharing the benefits of castor oil. So if you want to watch that, please stay tuned. Everyone needs good hair, good eyebrows, good lashes, good skin, good nails. So instead of telling n number of different things, I will tell you only one thing and your all problems will be solved. So you all know I am a big oil person. I love using oils. I use coconut oil. I love using coconut oil. I love using olive oil. I love using castor oil. So like without wasting any time, let's start and I will start explaining to you what are the benefits of the castor oil. Small disclaimer guys, try a patch of castor oil on your skin before applying it on your face or any other area, like a small patch, to see if you guys are not allergic to it. First thing, it helps in hair regrowth. It deeply conditions your hair, giving a very healthy and fine glow, and it will like clean your hair from within. It reduces dandruff, breakage of hair, and even split ends. So yes, rub castor oil on your roots before going to bed and then wash it off in the morning. Don't apply castor oil alone because it's a very thick oil. You need to add it with some carrier oil like olive oil or cotton, that's wrong with me, like कोकोनट ऑयल. तो आप इसको इंडिविजुअली अकेले मत यूज करिएगा बिकॉज ये बहुत थिक होता है एंड देन लाइक इट माइट कॉज प्रॉब्लम इंस्टेड ऑफ हेल्पिंग यू. So guys, I have already created a video regarding how to grow your hair thicker naturally. So if you want, I can like add the video in the description so you guys can check it out. Second thing is it reduces wrinkles as it is a natural moisturizer. So it helps in reducing wrinkles and reducing the fine lines. Gets into your skin so easily and ये आपके pores भी clog नहीं करेगा. It acts as a natural moisturizer. एकदम natural moisturizer है. आपका skin बहुत soft और बहुत nourished होगा. Apply a little bit of castor oil on your fingers and you rub it like this. आप जब castor oil लेंगे तो उसको अपने fingers के ऊपर ऐसे ऐसे मसाज करिए ताकि castor oil जो है it will get warmed, and then you apply it on your face before going to bed, and trust me guys, you will see the difference. आपको सुबह बहुत अच्छा, बहुत healthy और बहुत refreshing feel होगा. It thickens your eyebrows and eyelashes. Trust me guys, it works. I have been doing it for some time and सच में ये काम करता है. आपके eyebrows और eyelashes they will grow more thicker. Because castor oil is a follicle stimulating and nourishing oil, so that will help you a lot. Take cotton pad and dip it in castor oil. You don't have to use any other oil, you can directly put it also, but use it very gently and dab it on your eyebrows and eyelashes before going to bed. If you want to thicken your eyelashes and eyebrows, then you can definitely try it out. It nourishes the dry skin. My next tip is that like what is it's helpful for. It nourishes your dry skin like anything. मेरे जैसे लोग हैं जिनका dry skin है, it works as a wonderful thick lotion जो आपके skin को like बहुत nourish कर देगा. It contains fatty acid जो like it will help you in keeping your skin healthy and hydrated. You can apply castor oil on your full body, on your face, anywhere you want, and leave it for 10-15 minutes. You can apply it individually if you want to use little bit. If you are like अगर आप सिर्फ castor oil यूज कर रहे हैं तो उसको सिर्फ थोड़ा सा यूज करिएगा. अगर आप उसको किसी और ऑयल के साथ मिक्स करके यूज कर रहे हैं तो यू कैन यूज मोर, एंड देन उसको 15-20 मिनट्स के लिए छोड़ दीजिए, एंड देन यू लाइक टेक अ shower and you will see a difference. It helps with the brittle and cracked nails. Like it helps a lot that way. आपके nails के लिए बहुत 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 अच्छा use होता है castor oil. To grow your nails more thicker and like to stimulate fast nail growth, आप अपने जो castor oil है वो अपने cuticles पे, जो आपके nails के side का area होता है ना, उसके ऊपर apply करिए रात को सोने से पहले, and trust me that will work for you. It helps in reducing stretch marks because as I said it contains fatty acids. So ये एक बहुत अच्छा nourishing ऑयल काम आता है, एंड यू अप्लाई इट ओवर द स्ट्रेच मार्क्स, एंड विद टाइम थोड़ा आपके स्ट्रेच मार्क्स लाइट होने शुरू हो जाएंगे. ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, दिस इज I have been there. I am doing it. Yeah. Thing is, it helps in like क्रैक्ड हील्स, आपके एरिया फटे हुए हैं, इफ़ यू आर वेयरिंग समथिंग वेरी नाइस बट आपके पैर अच्छे नहीं लग रहे हैं, यू आर लाइक थिंकिंग के मतलब मुझे शायद बहुत सारा इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा फुट क्रीम और ये और वो, देन नो, दैट जस्ट यूज कैस्टर ऑयल। उसके अंदर जो एसिड्स होते हैं, जो उसके अंदर फैटीपन होता है ना, दैट विल वर्क वंडरफुली फॉर क्रैक्ड हील्स। जस्ट रात को अपने फीट पे आप जस्ट कैस्टर ऑयल लगाइए, उसको किसी चीज़ के साथ मिक्स मत करना, and then apply it on your feet and like wear a socks and go to bed. Then once like do it for some times and then you will start seeing the difference. So this is it guys, I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you like the video, and if you like it please like, comment and share it with your friends, and if you are not subscribed to my channel there is a button right below, please click on it, and उसके साथ एक बेल आइकन भी है, प्लीज उसको भी दबा दीजिएगा ताकि जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो पोस्ट करूँ तो यू गाइज विल गेट अ नोटिफिकेशन, एंड इंस्टाग्राम पे प्लीज फॉलो करिएगा। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग, बाय, टेक केयर।